for moments of quiet reflection. This is your opportunity to purchase the ideal family home, and it offers the very best of suburban living. Included with this home are 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And it features lock-up garaging for 2 cars. The kitchen has crisp white cabinets and quality fittings. This home represents excellent value because of location. And it's also kept cool in summer with ducted air. This property has security screens and doors, as well as an undercover patio area. Add to that a sensible, easy flow floor plan. Looking for a large and functional family home? Perfect for buyers wanting a quality home in a great location. There's no time like the present. Reply now.